Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log out of your WorldRemit account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser of your choice. Inside the URL box, type in worldremit.com and press enter on your keyboard. If you are logged into a public device and you would want to log out of your WorldRemit account for safety reasons, then it can be easily done in a few simple steps. From the main homepage, go ahead and look for this My Account tab at the top right hand corner and click on it. From the options displayed on the screen, click on Log Out, but make sure you remember the way that you chose to sign up for your account. Make sure you have your email address and password remembered so that you can get back to your account whenever you want. After clicking on the Log Out button, you will be redirected to the main login page and you are now safe to leave the device. So that is how you can easily log out of your WorldRemit account in a couple of minutes with just a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.